Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuwiseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10,000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15,000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand. Loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit. Vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Aye, mai baba jaru kula embacha ningi endli intro ya mina iziva leswi mi tivisa xiswona because there is nothing exciting about what I'm about to talk about here. So, and if ni vula swin'wana swa ka swi va out of which becomes painful to anyone, I'm sorry in advance. But you know me, tabula matitwele ya mina, but with the greatest respect and understanding the pain ya vanhu lava va nga lahlekeriwa. Xa ku sungula, I saw Dr. Joshirman earlier today in the morning. Va ku rest in peace to manu wa mina. So President Mayengani shared the post, and you know, some of us have been following Dr. Joshirman. If you understand what he's going through, you will understand that he's in deep pain. Akuna shobaba ku lahlekeriwa. It doesn't matter kumuni. Like at what age. If you can see how painful it was to lose his brother, sisters, and stuff like that, you can tell good. Now the pain just keeps on deepening. So we say condolences to him. Ongo kokwano o mama bona bangaetlela kurula. I can tell you now, swaba kulovela mano tokonga still kusirukule now. It doesn't matter at what age. But on the other side, imagago Dr. Joe has been in a situation where in the space of less than 5 years ilahlekeriwe vanhu vo tala. Swaba va swilo leswi ungamana wanga swi twisisi loko nga sima ku lahleka munhu. There was a point in time let me not even make it about myself. But on another side of it, he should be very proud that he made his mom proud. You know, abangutsalela swona leswi yaku atava endla va proud and give him ntsamena n'wana la ina mkhuhlwana so mi nga hlamali. Ava vatsalela swona leswaku you must make me proud. Give me the respect. Avang hlasela swona leswaku lava tsandzeka ku yona ta va hlayisa, not the other way around that wa ku fana na hina hi nga lahla vatswari swi sa endlela yin'wanyana because akuna xixo vava ku fana na ku mutswari a lahla n'wana. It's very painful, that thing, but pain ya rifu it's unmeasurable and you will never find anything to replace his mother. So condolences to him, and hopefully you'll continue to make his mom proud even when she's gone. Condolences to the family leyi nga lahlekeriwa leyi ay attackiwini ka Malamulele, and we live in a country where everything is possible, man. And you know, logo mirror at Facebook and anything to use as a media of communication. Mina matimba yo vulavula answer because you have access to information, you have access to keyboard to type nonsensical things. And now I saw Philani typing, Mugobo's typing, Akani George as a co-host typing. Yeah, so and then judge. And then Philani it's a lelish. So ku blame what influencer ku va tinga post hi mhangu yele ka Malamulele B2. Okay, mina personally, I don't usually post incidents such as this one here such as the one happened ka Malamulele B2, unless ni komberiwe hi structure swa tiko kumbe muganga or organizations. Because this is a very serious incident where a municipality and stakeholders are involved in resolving the issue, which is crime. I personally partly agree with Philani, but also one of the family members should have given an instruction good. So. You can't just go out and post about people who passed on, and especially when they were not celebrities, and you just go post without the family giving you the go ahead. And if such organizations or structures or muganga asked you, it means they have the permission from the family. So from that point of view, you can't just go around and post things, and because we Philani, and then we're going to judge him otherwise. But what was the need for him to write those things? Even when you're attacked as an influencer, why do you write such things? Like, just keep quiet, shut your mouth up. Just shut up. That's my view. Just keep quiet. I went or one influencer ungana to followers total ka guys. I went ungana following le cool ka guys. There are big artists who have the credibility ku post abona. We take it very serious. Man, so for him not posting, I understand, but for him to now chase a cloud to post those nonsensical things, what was the post for? I am I'm from Malamulele Kamkhomi, mara so nita fosteriwa ku posta ka Facebook ya mina yuku gigiwa. Sorry wafuitu. There was no need for this post, Philani. No one came to your house or to your room. People are just recruiting people to do what they think is right. And matters like this, because in South Africa they have become a trend. Now the people take everything to their own hands. They bring awareness to the matter. So help us find the criminals. Where if I just keep quiet, because now you're no longer responding to these influencers who are asking you to post things, and they didn't come to your DM. You are even responding to the innocent family. Now they must see that family must hate you for stupidity. I've sent condolences to the family and waiting for the group funeral contributions to pledge where I can in helping the family yaka cause. I don't understand why is that important. Because he loves inserting himself as the most important person. So that's why he's writing those things. Why are you waiting for the funeral? Like, where do you come in there? Make me understand, my people. If mun arna problem na mina, itani vula hibit. Exactly. They did not come to your DM. They did not talk to you. Then why we urna problem na man? Just shut up. Ninga love the likes na attention she moshaka kosa ka Facebook. But that's what you just did, and you want to pretend like you're the saint one. There is a guy called Akani Chauke Jojo, just to promote his business. He should have snap and fight. That's what mungwana ka shangan game. Narekota video le good 5:43 p.m. na majambo. He did 28 tanguta 5 2025. He says, the influencer that chaka fuck. It's either you help us make noise or shut the fuck up. We will handle it ourselves as Gaza and Malamulele. Visually, as I read the time, this post ended 32 minutes ago. And if you are to look at that, he is nothing. He's just the same as the rest of us who are quiet about the matter. Because why? We don't know the family. We don't want to be adding the pain to the family. But he never posted anything. Even Bliss Boy posted a very touching message for the boy. It's saddening. It's sad. You can accuse me, okay, now you're talking about it as well, you're adding fuel to it. I'm sorry. But I understand your view and your head. But Akani can't say the same thing because he never posted anything other than this post that is shouting other influencers. He's an influencer too. They have a YouTube channel. They should have done a video as well and then spoke about the justice for the boy. I am a fan. Problem, me nyika attention too much gengeli and I na byongo. Mara so, anga himp. Like for me, there was no need for Philani to say that thing. A sane person will never make this tragedy about them. True. Like, why do you want to always put your self-importance in matters that do not involve you? Like, like, especially my people, when there are many influencers ka Gaza. They are quiet. They didn't respond. They didn't react. They didn't post anything. Then why do you see it fit to always want to respond and stand for people? Just keep quiet, as they say. Shut the fuck up. Why minga yiminyana na the paragraph that taka? Ari busy nyana man. Fusek. So this fusek comes from their podcast, but also the same guy called Akani Chauke Jojo never said anything about the justice for the boy. He never posted anything. This is his first reactionary post to the matter. So, wafana na Philani because we want to seem to be like the right one to me. And then there is Ray Gaza Bosch. Gaza Bosch did post a post about justice for Shlabeko, justice for the family, before the one I'm about to read. So you can tell that this fight is genuine. Imina nilangu that influencer taka Gaza tulo we yukulahlekeriwa ka hina va ka Malamulele. He's the only one who posted this. He posted a post about this matter. Before that, I saw the co-host yale kashangan gamerman this girl wakashirenda wakubakatara ya Remonyat. She even did a video asking people to sign a petition. I just signed a petition on TikTok. So with Gaza Bosch, I would understand. But when you do something genuine, let us not go around and try to tag other people and try to sound that just campaign, push the narrative. Justice for Shlabeko, justice for the family, condolences to the family. We can now want to make the issue that we must deal with the criminal element and now we must deal with influence that Gaza 3. Because now you are diverting the attention because you are fuck what Philani, Akani, Gaza. Now you are diverting the attention from the matter at hand, and the matter at hand is the criminal element within the society.